See?
Oh, cool.
Cool. A dinosaur.
Are you reading, baby? Here, let's turn the page. What's this? Oh, fishes on this page.
Yeah, there's
Oh,
fishes
what's that?
at the fish hatchery. Fishes at the fish hatchery.
At the fish hatchery,
Just
yeah.
like these ones.
Yep, just like those. I'm Sabrina, looking for a very special treasure. A fuzzy fish? Yeah, there's a fuzzy fish on there.
Where is it?
Here.
Right there? Ooh, it's cool.
It is.
Mommy, look at this fish.
Oh, cool, it's a clownfish.
Nose as sharp nose, just like shark.
Just like a swordfish, huh?
Yeah, just like a shark too.
You guys are leaders.
Hey, no reading with me. Mommy, I gotta show you something. Hey, what is it?
What is it?
It has things on its back and the top.
Yay. Yay, Naya.
Top.
Hi. Hi, Willie Diva.
It's that thing on its back and
Huh?
Hi, Naya. You found the fuzzy fish. You found the fuzzy fish. Hi, Damo.
Hey.
Hi, sexy. Okay, here, babe. Not me, please.
Well, we love you. No, you're not.
Please stop.
Nope.
Well, stop, please.
Mommy.
What, babe?
That has everything on set, but I don't have it in it's on its back.
Oh.
It's done. It's done.
No, it's in there.
You're this one.
I love you, Naya. What? I love you, Dominic. How old are you?
Why?
How old are you?
Why?
How old are you?
3.
Yeah. How old are you, little man? Oh, 7 months, huh? Well. Hey, Naya, look at me, bitch.
But it's not in there. It's
Sorry, baby, I'm sorry.
What do you want to find, the T-Rex?
No.
I'm sorry.
And
You're
then
just too cute.
there's a leaf on its back.
Hey,
Oh, ask Daddy to help.
what are you looking for?
And then there's this on its back.
Oh, yeah?
Dinosaur with 2 things on its back.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I
Where's
can
it?
find it.
Where's it at? Huh? Maya. What are you doing? What are you doing, though? Hey.
Looking for the things in there.
Okay, let's find it real quick. And so there are two things in this bag. That?
No. Not that either.
Not
No,
that one
this
either.
way.
Okay, that way.
Help me.
Well, you just